Let's look at part 3 of Ethiopian Civil Service examination, and here we're going to look at general aptitude tests. And the full video is on my channel, you can check there. Question number 25 say, if 2x plus 5 is equals to 17, what is x? A 6, B 11, C 22, and D 12. We have the answer to be A. How come about the A? Solution, let's solve. What is your answer? Let's say 2x plus 5 is equals to 17. We need to get rid of that 4 plus 5 from there. So we are going to have 2x is equals to what? 17 minus 5. And if it is minus that is there, you will now have 2x is going to be what? 17 plus what? 5. Since it's plus, it's going to be 2, it's going to be 17 minus 5. Then we have 2x is equals to 12. We divide both sides by 2. Then we have the value of x to be 6. This is how come about the answer is equals to 6. Let's look at question number 26. 20% of 500 is what? A 10, B 100, C 200, D 25. The answer is B. How come? When we say 20% of a number, simply means that number over 100 times that number. That is 20 over 100 times 500. And 20 times 500 will give us 10,000. And 10,000 divided by 100 will give us 100. And that is why the answer is equals to B. Do not forget to follow my channel for more. Let's look at question number 27. What is the average of 10, 20, and 30? In case they may ask you what is the means of 10, 20, and 30. Average and means are the same thing. All we need to do is for us to add the number together, which is 10 plus 20 plus 30. How many numbers do we add? We add 3 numbers. Then that will give us 60 divided by 3 will give us what? 20. So if they ask to find the average or the means, they are still the same. All you need to do is for you to add the number together and divide them by 3. Don't forget to subscribe for more. And let's look at the last question, which is question number 28. Complete the series. In series, we have AP and GP. We have arithmetic progression and geometric progression. We are given 2, 4, 8, and 6. They say what is the next number. So I want to use this medium so that you can learn about AP and also GP. When you look at AP number, we have 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the next number? For AP, you minus the first term from the second term, which is 4 minus 3, we have 1. Or you minus the third term from the second term, which is 5 minus 4, we have 1. So the difference is 1. If it is AP, you just add the difference to the last number, which is the last number is 6. 6 plus 1 will give us 7. But the question says we should complete the series 2, 4, 8, and 16. That is what is the next number. For the GP, which is geometric progression, we divide the second term by the first term. That is why we have 4 divided by 2 give us 2. Or we divide the third term by the second term, which is 8 divided by 2 give us 2. And also when we divide the fourth term by the third term, which is 16 divided by 8 to give us 2. So for the GP, you times their difference. So you can see the difference is 2, 2, 2. And the last number there is 16. And that is why we say 16 times 2 will give us 32. And also 32 divided by 16 will give us 2. So the answer is C. And C is the correct answer, which is 32. This is where we are going to stop. And we are going to continue in this series. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more. Bye for now.